Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions.
Sure.
And just a quick note before we jump in, the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description.
Right. So today we are doing a deep dive into the Sunvivi commercial French fry cutter. It's an incredibly popular heavy-duty potato slicer with a 4.7-star rating.
Yeah, and when you actually look at the sources for this thing, you immediately realize this isn't like some flimsy gadget.
Oh, definitely not. It has a solid aluminum alloy body.
Right.
And it uses these 4 industrial suction cups for stability, plus this massive downward pressing ergonomic handle.
It genuinely looks like a piece of heavy-duty gym equipment, like a vertical leg press, but for potatoes.
A leg press for potatoes is honestly the best way to describe it because reviewers rave about taking these massive Costco russet potatoes and just slicing them in seconds.
All of seconds.
Literally, you load the russet, pull the lever, and boom, perfectly uniform fries. Which, actually really helps with even cooking.
Probably because of the heat transfer in the fryer.
Exactly. If you have different thicknesses, the thicker ones take longer, so you avoid that whole thing where you're chewing on a burnt crisp and a soggy sponge in the same batch.
Well, that sounds amazing. It just glides right through then.
It glides through russet potatoes and apples like absolute butter, but the narrative completely changes when it meets a tougher opponent.
Let me guess. The sweet potato struggle.
Yes. The sweet potato. One reviewer tested it on yams and the machine just completely jammed.
Wait, it jammed. So what did they do?
They actually had to invent this double tap method.
A double tap, like slamming it.
Yeah, violently slamming the handle down twice rapidly just to force the yam through. And even then, they sometimes had to pry it out of the blades with a knife.
That sounds kind of intense. And wait, I'm looking at the marketing right now. If the product title specifically advertises cutting yams, isn't it a bit deceptive if the machine can't handle it?
Well, here's the interesting part. Another reviewer noticed that the instructions actually warn against using it on harder vegetables.
Are you serious? The manual contradicts the box.
Yeah, despite yam being right there in the product title, it's this wild tension between the marketing and the actual physics of the machine.
Right, because you're trying to push a grid of metal through a dense, fibrous block. So, okay, once you've wrestled with your yams and made your fries, you still have to deal with the aftermath, right?
Yeah, dealing with the physical footprint of this beast. I mean, the cleaning is actually pretty easy. You just remove the blade plates. It comes with a 38 and a 12-inch plate and rinse it.
Okay, so that's a plus.
It is, but the storage is a major issue. Its wide, tall stance means it absolutely won't fit in a standard drawer.
Well, yeah, you aren't tossing a vertical leg press into a drawer.
Right. And a reviewer highlighted a big longevity concern, too. The blades are stainless steel, but they eventually dull.
Sure, all blades dull.
Yeah, but finding Sunvivi branded replacement blades seems nearly impossible.
Wait, really? So you're just out of luck when they go dull?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
So are we just trading the labor of manual chopping for the permanent loss of a large kitchen shelf?
That is exactly the question. It really leaves you pondering if the pursuit of the perfect uniform homemade fry is, genuinely worth dedicating commercial-grade counter space in a domestic kitchen.
It really makes you think about what we prioritize in the kitchen.
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions, one product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.